The only reason why I'm making this video from my car is because almost everybody on YouTube that talks about semen retention, they're always in a car. I don't get why, but they're always sitting like this. And then they're talking about why you should not be touching your pee-pee. But basically, why is it, do you think, that whenever someone, like a guy, does something that's risky, something that's like with high testosterone, usually we say things like, dang boy, that guy's got some big balls. This is some big balls moves. Why do you think we say such a thing? Well, it's because, Habibi, like most of the high testosterone activity, the things that require strength and power and like risk, all of that stuff comes from the balls. So you can pretty much know what I'm going to be saying in this whole video about semen retention. When you stop touching your pee-pee and wasting this power that Allah has given you, when you stop shooting, you'll start getting this power of power back, this power of testosterone back, this power of actually making risky moves and not even fearing anything. Like fear is going to be almost non-existent. The only people that are fearful are the ones that are always shooting. So much so to the point that the ancient Egyptians, you know how the ancient Egyptians are? What they used to do is that they used to almost like get in a state where they feel a bit horny, and then they go and they do a lot of work. Then they go and do things. They go and do things that require productivity and like testosterone and power. Then they go and do these things. So even when you go to war, if you go to war and you keep shooting, you're going to be super weak, bro. So you can see your performance in the gym if you go to the gym, but you're always shooting. You'll notice that this is exactly when your power is going to start going down. You can't lift as much as you can if you don't shoot. So this is actually the beautiful thing that us men have, is that the more you retain this semen inside you, like the seeds inside you, the more that you can plant seeds within the world, almost like you're penetrating the world and not the woman, or not even just the women, not your pants, bro. Because most of you guys are just penetrating your pants. Now, for those of you who are going to be like, what about the women? If I'm married, it's okay. And you know, it is okay. But what I noticed is that, by the way, listen, if you're one of those people that are my family, or my friends, or like you know me personally, you can just click off, bro. This is some personal stuff that I'm going to be sharing with a bunch of people. But basically, what I noticed is that whenever, like if you're married, right? Whenever you're doing it, and then you're about to shoot, and then you don't shoot, and you just stay in that feeling of about to, but never, not only is the woman gonna feel better, but you will also, after you finish the whole session and you don't shoot, you'll feel so much more energy. I don't know what it's about, to be honest, but like, I guess from like experience, like the more this happens, the more I do this, the more it's like I feel like I have so much power that I can just use, put it into my videos, put it into the work I'm doing, just so much power. And you feel like your testosterone goes up. Now the moment you actually like you shoot, the moment you shoot and then you finish, then you'll notice that the power, it kind of gets depleted. Like this one time, some personal stuff, bro, but this one time, like I felt so weak, and it's because that's what happens when you shoot. Now it's okay if you're trying to reproduce, that's okay, but if you're not trying to reproduce, why are you doing that? Just keep it in, bro. Literally just keep it in. Now for those of you who are just like touching your pee-pee, touching it, and you're shooting in your pants, Habibi, what the heck are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Like, you realize how, not even, like if you were sitting on the outside, looking at yourself in the bedroom in the night, and then you're seeing yourself just shoot, and then the face that you make after you shoot, it's kind of disgusting, bro, not gonna lie. So if you're not married, stop doing it, bro. Stop doing it. Now what's the alternative? The alternative is that take this power that you have within you, go to the gym, take out this power on the weights. Now I'm not saying go and hump the weights, I'm saying go and I was gonna say penetrate the weights, but I'm saying go and lift more. Do squats, bro. Squats are so powerful. It's like the more you do it, the more your testosterone goes up, and the more this feeling actually comes to you the next day when you recover. But do squats, because then when you do squats, your testosterone is gonna go up. Do bench, like try to reach bigger numbers, try to increase the weights that you can do. And the more you'll notice, by the way, you actually have some crazy power, bro. Especially if you're like 18, 24, even 25, like 30. I'm not 30 yet, 30. But the power that we have, bro, we can recover. It's almost like literally every one of us is on steroids, but we just don't notice it. And for those of you who are not noticing that you're on steroids, it's because you keep shooting. Stop shooting for a bit and then just like realize that you have literally built-in steroids within you. And that's so powerful. That's actually amazing. Now, again, for those of you, some of you guys are going to be like, but bro, it's so hard. It's so hard to like not shoot and not touch my PP and stuff like that. Even though in of itself, that statement is such a statement of weakness that you shouldn't even think of, not even say, but you shouldn't even think of. But what you do is that Allah said in the Quran, lower your freaking gaze, bro. Now, Allah didn't say freaking, obviously, but lower your gaze. When you are in the gym or when you're walking around and your eyes are going everywhere, when your eyes are going everywhere, like in that state, you're opening up the doors for more evil. You do realize, like, looking at other girls, it's so evil. It's literally so evil because you're, first of all, you're giving the most powerful thing that you have in your body, in your life, which is your attention, you're giving it to something else other than Allah. But the second thing is that, why are you looking at women as objects only? Like, just stop. Habib, just stop looking at the women. I was blessed with bad eyesight. So when I take off my glasses when I go to the gym, not when I drive, you can see I'm driving right now, but actually I have my glasses right here. It's just when I take it off, it's kind of better, right? But I'm blessed with bad eyesight. So when I go to the gym, I just take off my glasses, so I can't even see anything, bro. So it's kind of a blessing. But for those of you who like, if you have bad eyesight, take off your glasses and then go to the gym. But for those of you who have good eyesight, lower it, man. Lower it. When you lower it, not only will you start getting back more power, because you deplete your power again when you keep looking at things, by the way, just so you know. You actually deplete all your power. But then when you stop looking at things, it's almost like you get back your power. And that power is the attention. So wherever you put your attention to, the more that thing starts growing. So if you're putting your attention on the blessings that you have, like wanting more money, and you're working towards more money, so you can at least like retire your parents, if you start doing that, putting your attention there, is going to start growing more. But then if you put your attention on the videos that you watch, the bad ones, not this one, the bad ones, the women that you see that keep walking around, or just the bad thoughts that you get, then you get more of that, and you'll notice this is when you start finding disease in your body. You'll literally start getting disease because these things, they start manifesting within you. They literally start manifesting within you. And then the more you shoot, the more your power gets depleted, so the more bad things start manifesting within you. So if I see a young guy that has a disease, I mean, I'm not heartless, bro, but I don't even feel bad, because I'm just like, you've been blessed with such great power, especially at this age. You shouldn't even be sick, bro. And I mean that. Don't start commenting like, what about those people that are... I understand. But if you're young, I'm saying, if you're young and you're a man, you shouldn't be feeling sick. How can you feel sick? My brother, whenever he's sick, I just make fun of him. I'm like, no, bro, you're not getting sympathy from me. You can get sympathy from my mom, but you're not getting sympathy from me. And I never claim that I'm sick, even when the outside condition, like the physical, shows that I'm sick. I'm not sick. I'm still the healthiest I've ever been, bro. The healthiest I've ever been. And I'm not saying that just to jinx, it's just how it is. But this is the thing. Like, understand that your physical body, I told you in the previous video, your soul has great powers that you have to use. You have to know how to use it. But also realize that if you're a man and you're young, even if you're not young, honestly, you have great power within you still. You have great power within this physical body that you have. And so when you start not shooting, when you retain your semen, you'll start getting more of your testosterone back. And this testosterone, I would say, is the solution to every physical problem that you have. Understand that, bro. Like, there's a reason why, like, the entire society is trying to deplete your testosterone. Underwear, like wearing polyester underwear, destroys your testosterone. The food that you eat, the soy, there's soy in everything, seed oils and everything. All of that stuff is destroying your testosterone. The things that you look at is just destroying your testosterone. Even just the air that you breathe, like the water that you drink, the tap water, destroys your testosterone. So they're trying to destroy your testosterone. So then when you keep this power within you and not shoot, you're getting this power back. And that's the thing that the evil people don't want, whoever the evil people are. Because obviously there's an enemy that's against you. You can even call that enemy shaitan, by the way. Shaitan is literally against you. But when you realize also, by the way, the Sahaba of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they all had high testosterone. What's the proof behind that? They went to war, bro. These people went to war. If you go to war, automatically you have high testosterone. Now, I'm not saying go to war. I'm saying keep your high testosterone. Stop shooting every time you get the urge. When you get the urge, this is almost like a sign from Allah telling you that, listen, your testosterone is high in this moment. Go and do work. Literally, bro, go and do work. Not go and bust, go and shoot. Go and do freaking work. And then for those of you who are in business, because I'm in business, obviously, right? For those of you who are working on your business, you're doing things, and you have fear in your heart of doing things. Understand that that's a low testosterone trait. And why is that happening? Most likely, bro, I would say it's because you keep shooting. And if you're not shooting, by the way, optimize the other parts of your life. Like when I say I don't wear underwear, I truly mean that I don't wear underwear. I'm not saying that for attention. That's literally it. Because underwear is made from polyester, and then when you put this polyester next to your balls, which is the testosterone powerhouse, then it's going to start getting depleted more and more. You know what's so funny? I just realized there's a person that's like half naked walking around. It's almost like a test from Allah telling me, what are you going to do in this situation? I had to move the screen. But this is the thing. It's like, literally, your balls are the powerhouse of testosterone. So then when you stop putting plastic on it like polyester, you're going to start getting this power back. And then when you stop eating the bad food, you're going to start getting this power back. And then when you stop shooting, and you start retaining your semen, automatically, bro, you're getting this power back. And then once you have this power, I hope that this is going to become your next addiction. Just this power that's within you that you don't want to lose. And the only time you lose this is when you get married, and then you just shoot inside your wife to create a baby. Do you realize, like, this power, you can make a baby with it? Isn't that actually so freaking powerful? Like, this thing that's within you right now, you can use it to make babies, to create life. Bro, honestly, I find that insane. Like, I can create life if I just do it. Like, that's actually insane, bro. So realize that because this is able to create life, that means that when you take this power and you put it in your business, you're putting life back into your business. You're putting life back into your bank account. And that's beautiful. How is that not beautiful? You have such great power, both spiritually and physically, mentally as well. But you keep forgetting, bro. So I'm hoping that these videos that I'm making right now, like the daily videos too, are helping you realize that this power is always here and you're getting it back. Because honestly, me making these videos is helping me as well, getting this power back. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, bro, just let me know.